Welcome, my friends. Welcome, friends of artelino. Welcome, friends of Japanese prints, and welcome, friends of contemporary prints by wonderful artists. My name is Dieter, and I'm the owner of a little family company located in Bavaria in southern Germany, and we've sold art prints mostly with a focus on Japanese prints or Japanese touch in weekly online auctions since 2001, my friends. Today, I want to show you a small selection of new prints that we got consigned by a contemporary artist, by Emiko Aida. I think we made a video about Emiko Aida before, 1 or 2 years ago, but this is now about a new consignment of wonderful designs that we have not yet shown in our online auctions before. So let's start with this little slideshow. I hope you like this little slideshow, my friends. And if you liked it, so let's continue with a short bio for those of you who do not yet know anything about Emiko Aida. She was born in Japan, then studied fine arts at Tokyo University of Art and Design. There she graduated with a Bachelor of Arts, and next she continued her studies and made her master degree at the Tokyo National University of Fine Arts and Music. So she brought a little bit touch of music into her career. And immediately after her master, she could continue with a teaching job just at this same university. Afterwards, she made a great jump on the globe. She moved to London and started with a teaching job at the Royal College of Art in London. Royal College of Art in London. Doesn't sound crummy, Emiko Aida lives in London, and her works are in galleries in the UK, in the US, in Japan. Her prints are also in museums, for instance, in the New York Public Library or in the Guangdong Museum in China. And now comes the good news. Her works are available in weekly artelino art auctions, not in all weekly artelino auctions, but every now and then. So, well, check our catalogs, take a look. And another huge advantage, when you bid on her prints and are the successful high bidder, so you purchase her prints, you not only get an excellent print by a wonderful artist, but her prices are also still very affordable. Okay, you got the message. Wonderful. Well, enough for today. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself, and goodbye.